If you're tired of get-rich-quick schemes or courses that promise the world but cost a fortune, listen up, because in this video, I'm revealing real ways to make money online in 2025 without spending a single dime. Yep, zero investment. Just your time, skills, and internet connection. So grab a notebook, because I'm diving straight into the best free methods that people around the world are using right now to generate daily income from home. No fluff, no scams, just real strategies that work. Let's get into it. Let's kick things off with freelancing. This is one of the most powerful ways to earn online without spending anything upfront. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer your skills, like writing, graphic design, video editing, even voiceovers, without any startup cost. All you need is to create a profile and list your services. Don't have a skill? No problem. Go to sites like Coursera or Skillshare and learn for free with trial periods, or find tutorials on YouTube. Hot tip: focus on niches like AI content editing, Canva designs, or podcast editing. These are trending in 2025. Second on our list is print on demand or pod. With platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Zazzle, you can upload designs for free and earn a commission each time someone buys your product. The best part? You don't handle shipping, inventory, or customer service. Use free tools like Canva or Kittl to create stunning designs. Upload your art and let the platforms market it. Even if you're not a designer, you can remix trending quotes, memes, or AI-generated art to start earning. Next, we've got content writing, a classic but still golden method. Sites like Medium, Vocal, Media, or Hub Pages pay you based on traffic or engagement. All you do is write articles. No investment, no ads to run. Topics that do well in 2025: AI and tech reviews, personal finance tips, mental health and productivity, remote work hacks. Combine ChatGPT for outlines and your personal voice for unique content. Want to get paid for typing what you hear? Welcome to transcription and captioning. Sites like Rev, GoTranscript, and TranscribeMe hire beginners to transcribe audio into text, and they pay weekly. Requirements? Just good listening skills and a quiet space. Bonus: as of 2025, AI-generated transcription tools like Whisper AI can help you increase your speed and double your earnings. Here's a trending method that's exploding in 2025: YouTube automation. This is where you create faceless videos using free tools like Pexels or Pixabay for stock footage, CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for editing, 11 Labs or TTSMP3 for free AI voiceovers. Then monetize through AdSense, affiliate links, or YouTube Shorts Fund. Topics that blow up. Top 10 facts. AI news, luxury lifestyle, productivity hacks. You don't even need to show your face. For those with limited time, try microtasking websites like Swagbucks, ClickWorker, Remotasks, Ysense. These platforms pay you to complete small jobs, watching ads, testing apps, answering surveys, and more. While the pay isn't massive, you can easily earn $5 to $20 per day with consistent effort. And remember, you're not spending anything to get started. Another awesome method is selling digital products. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Ko-Fi let you upload and sell ebooks, Notion templates, digital planners, study guides. You can use Canva to design them and ChatGPT to generate ideas or write content. Tip: make sure your product solves a specific problem, like budgeting, productivity, or student planning. As you've seen, making money online in 2025 without investing a dime is not only possible, it's happening every day. The tools are free, the platforms are open, and the only thing you need to bring is consistency. Don't wait for the perfect time. Pick just one method and take action today. And remember, the internet pays attention to action takers. If you found value in this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more no-investment money tips, and comment below with your favorite method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.